Why did he arrest once he had issued a notice?
Mistake has happened, my lord. My officer should
No,
not.
no, sir. 35(3) ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ 27ಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 25ಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಯಾರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹೇಳಿ? ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ. SPP ಅವರೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? By issuing a notice under 35(3), you have no business to arrest unless he displays non-cooperation. ಕಾನೂನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಏನ್ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಾನೂನು ನೀವಲ್ಲಿ? ಇದೆ ಈ ತರ.
I'll
I will
keep
direct
him.
departmental inquiry against the entire station.
No, I can't.
This should stop.
One submission, before your lordship starts, one submission.
Yes, sir.
Mistake has happened, my lord. My officer should
No,
not.
no, sir. If mistake has happened, they better well pay for that mistake. No, I have been seeing this pattern of this policeman, that they take anyone into custody without any rhyme or reason, straight away.
No, I can't.
This should stop.
No, I can't.
This should stop. Stop it. There should be some deterrence. How we give some deterrence? You message ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಾಕ್ಸಲ್ವಾ?
No, I'm not just.
No, SPP ಅವರೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? But this has become too much. Only because of you I had kept quiet till now.
I'm not justifying, my lord. I'm not justifying for a moment. I'm not justifying. Only one mistake. What happened, my lord? Probably, my lord.
Notice ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ರು?
No, probably, my lord, young officer has succumbed to it. That notice, issuance of notice is not needed.
All right.
He has issued a notice, my lord.
All right.
The senior officers are probably.
Aitu, why did he arrest once he had issued a notice?
So that is,
Who told him to arrest?
no, but is
No,
confusion.
is there any instructions from his superior to arrest?
It's his.
ಬನ್ರಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಸುನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? How did you arrest him? And why did you arrest him? Why? ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೋ ಇಲ್ವಾ? 35(3) ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ 27ಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 25ಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? 35(3) ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ how did you arrest him? How and why did you arrest him? ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾ? ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾ? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? Were there instructions from any of your superiors to arrest? If you have succumbed to pressure, whose pressure? ಯಾರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹೇಳಿ? ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ. Why did you arrest? ನಿಮ್ ಜೋಕ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ. ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನು ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. What do you all think? ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, he may be the worst of criminal, I am not that. Once you set the procedure in motion and by issuing a notice under 35(3), you have no business to arrest unless he displays non-cooperation. ಕಾನೂನು ಗೊತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಕಾನೂನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಏನ್ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಾನೂನು ನೀವಲ್ಲಿ? ಇದೆ ಈ ತರ. ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್. No, this has to be taken note of. Allah, let the superiors also share the cost that I impose now. Apart from departmental inquiry.
No, that's probably, my lord, that the young officer has committed a mistake, my lord. But
He's committed a mistake, he has to pay for it. It is taking someone into custody. It's question of liberty.
that's correct, my lord.
He may be worst of criminal. Procedure set in motion ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗಿತ್. You can't do that. I am not saying he is whoever he has arrested is a paragon of virtue. No.
No, so everybody is saying that he should not have issued a notice. In superior
Well,
officer,
should not have andre.
have issued a notice. That is a mistake, my lord. I don't know why.
Incantation like this will not help, sir, unless there is cost imposed. I have already indicated that I am going to impose
Lordship has
costs.
indicated. Your lordship is indicated, my lord. But
2026 2 SCC ಕೊಡಿ ಸತ್ಯೇಂದ್ರ ಕುಮಾರ್ until latest
Not carried the judgment.
and Nalla Balu.
Yes.
No, no,
leniency.
sir, nothing. It's high time that, yeah, who is the, you're an ACP ನಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಲ್ಲ,
ACP and DC is the,
inspector,
is the sub inspector.
sub inspector. He is the IO. ACP ಯಾರು?
Reena Suvarna.
Reena Suvarna.
DCP ಯಾರು?
Saidul Atawat.
What are they doing?
I'll
They will
keep-
also face the brunt now.
I'll keep them present.
If this man is arresting someone without rhyme or reason, what is the ACP doing? What is the DCP doing?
I'll keep them present, my lord.
Not necessary. I will impose cost, let everybody take the costs.
I'll
I will
keep them
direct departmental inquiry against the entire station who has indulged in this now.
I'll keep them present, my lord.
Not necessary, sir. Not necessary. They will be watching anyway. ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವ ನಂಗೆ? ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಅವರು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ. Whoever is the DCP and the ACP, let them also know.
I'll keep them present.
No, sir, not necessary. ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್. The petitioner is what are you? What's the allegation now?
Now that your lordships have asked this question, my only allegation against me is that I'm a signatory to a will, which they claim is a forged will.
Who is the signatory?
I am the
To a will?
signatory
As
to
a witness or
as a
what?
Witness. I am only a signatory and a witness to a will. Not there's
Who
a
is the complainant?
there is a civil dispute between the Baligas and the Gopal. So Baligas, Lord, have filed a suit in which they have obtained interim order protecting their possession. Now the will is left by Baliga's grandmother to Vishal Baliga. I am a attesting witness to that will.
The attesting witness is now taken into custody?
Yes, A1 is not taken into custody. A2 is taken into custody. There is an order of injunction and a direction to the SHO to implement police protection orders by this court.
Against whom?
Not against the complainant. Against the complainant here is interfering with my possession. I file a suit.
Alla, your possession andre the A1's possession.
Vishal Baliga's possession. Vishal Baliga has filed a suit for injunction to protect his possession. In that an IA is filed to protect his possession, allowed, contested all the way to Supreme Court. Now possession is confirmed in favor of Vishal Baliga.
Yeah, who is behind the complainant
The
now?
IA3 Lord is to direct the police to implement the order. Not complied. Comes in GM police. There is a direction. Contempt charges are being framed next week, not for 17 for framing of charges in this officer.
Your lordship, since your lordship asked me, the will was notarized.
ಆಗ್ಲಿ,
by a
ಅವರು
person.
ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ, ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ತಾನೆ ಇವರು.
No, that is the my lord, that the present petitioner. he has-
What do you do about the other proceedings that are pending which go to the Supreme Court and get confirmed?
Your lordship,
Are they playing with them?
Your lordship, is a will.
Ah,
It's
so?
supposed to have notarized by the
The
person.
civil
Not
court will
necessary.
decide.
It was not even notary on
The
that
civil
time.
court will decide that, not the civil.
Not
It is pending before the civil court?
From 24.
Who are the police to interfere in all this?
Pending before civil court is injunction suit.
Whatever suits, sir, it is for them to decide, will correct or illo ant ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Why police wants to interfere in this?
No, injunction.
Why I am asking this is not, he is a scapegoat. Somebody else is controlling him. Somebody else is controlling him. Somebody else has directed him to arrest this man. Civil suit ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನೀವು, what is the police doing here?
No, the entire
If a will, he is a witness to the will ಯಾವಾಗ execute ಆಗಿರೋದು?
In 95, in the
Then?
bills of 95, they are.
Whatever it is, sir, if the police saying will is forged now, civil suit pending ilva?
No, on that time, this person could not have done.
Arey, that's a different thing, sir. Civil court will pending ಇದೆ, they will decide. Why the police is interfering now in a civil case?
No, the pending before civil court is only injunction suit.
Arey, tomorrow they may amend it, sir.
No, my lord, I have to file an injunction suit. Complainant will have to file a.
That is the complainant's case actually, then he let him file.
He is claiming that the will is forged. He has to file a declaration.
Came to know about the existence.
Who
of
came to know, sir?
The complainant, according to us, my lord, came to know about the existence of.
No
will.
problem.
In
Has he
the-
filed a suit, sir?
24 suit, now they came to know.
No, when he
Suit is
filed-
being contested. Why is the police interfering in a will case?
And I am only the attesting witness to. a will.
That's the next thing. Why the police is interfering in a case between two persons who are contesting over a will? ಏನ್ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. Then why do they interfere? If the police do not, if police are not stopped from entering from civil cases, this is what is happening. ಯಾರೋ ಇಬ್ರು ಹೊಡೆದಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಗೆ ವಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರದ್ದು ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡೌಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
No, but purpose, my lord, that's a very
So
fact
whatever purpose, sir,
that's a very
it does
fact.
not stop at that, takes him into custody. How? That's why I said there is lawlessness here. Stop this police Raj. We will have to stop it by iron hands. ಏನೋ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ.
Not if your lordship did not protect us, we would have necessarily gone into custody. 15
Definitely,
days
because the
JC
court will not see anything. The moment they give
So
give a
many-
remand application, remand.
process
No, the
so
whole
mechanical.
problem with the magistracy today is a remand is made on a demand by the police.
Yes.
Straight away, ಒಂದ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ರಿಮಾಂಡ್.
Please.
ಅದು ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಏನು 69 ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು?
They don't feel,
10 ವರ್ಷ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ 69 inside prison.
they don't feel,
Huh?
they don't see.
That's a court, sir. They have to see. Actually, they have to see and set things right. Only if there is necessity police custody, they should give. Every case police custody.
And remand application if they
That is
want
why
to-
there is no end to these people. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ police custody ಹೆಂಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ?
And they don't even ask for police custody, they ask for JC, so which means he was never required for investigation, custodial interrogation ಬೇಕೇ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. It's a documentary events, what is the use of
Whatever it
taking
is,
into
if you are a
custody
witness and a witness is treated like this,
without the actual person who is said to have
No,
executed the will?
Our similar is not.
ಆಯ್ತು
merely
ಸರ್,
he is
ಒಂದ್
not
ನಿಮಿಷ.
merely a witness.
Accused number 1,
Beneficiary of the will.
beneficiary of the will, you leave him. Accused number 2, witness to that will, you take him into custody. Is there any semblance of fairness in police action in this? Any semblance of fairness? ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. The petitioner is before the court. Only arrest or you challenge everything?
We've challenged everything. FIR.
The petitioner is before the court calling in question registration of a crime in crime number 586 of 2026 for offences punishable under section 61, 338 and 340 within bracket 2 of the BNS 2023. What drove the petitioner to this court was the police taking the accused number 2, a witness to a particular will which is pending adjudication before a competent civil court, into custody. A crime comes to be registered in crime number 586 of 2026 for the aforequoted offences. The petitioner is drawn as accused number 2. The jurisdictional police, i.e. the Whitefield subdivision police, issue a notice to the petitioner under section 35(3). Where do I get that?
Annexure B, page 19.
One moment.
And that notice is not given prior to arrest not. First time taken up from a house, station al ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ signature ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
The notice given on 25/8/2026 reads as follows. The notice directs the petitioner accused number 2 to appear before the Whitefield police station for the purpose of investigation at 11 a.m. on bold element 27/8/2026, 2 days after the issuance of notice. This is the unequivocal chain in the notice. The police pick up the petitioner from his house by arresting him 2 days prior to the date on which he was directed to appear. The 35(3) notice is also said to have been issued by the police at the house of the petitioner at the time when he was taken into custody. Be that submission as it is, but the notice itself indicated that the petitioner was to appear before the Whitefield police station on 27/8/2026 at 11 a.m. but is taken into custody 48 hours even before his appearance. Even before the time that he was asked